Hi everyone, welcome back to English speaking journey. So today is the third day of 30 days new word learning challenge. In this challenge, I am going to bring some new word for you on daily basis. That will be really helpful for your English speaking or your fluency English because this all word will be help you to build a structure properly. So today all word related to communication style because I was watching one interview where the person was explaining how to become the good communicator. So I realized that some word we should know what the meaning of it because it's really helped us to explain the communication style. First is trembling. Trembling meaning is shaking slightly because of fear, cold, or weakness. For example, she was trembling with fear during the thunderstorm. You can use this word in a different way. That guy explained, suppose that situation is like you are on stage and in front of the 1000 audience or the 15 or 20 if you are in meeting. So that time your voice was trembling because of you have the stage fear. So someone voice is trembling. That time you can tell to that person your voice is trembling, yeah, your legs was trembling because of you have the stage fear. Next word is perceived. Perceived meaning is notice, yeah, understood, recognize something. Actually, it's a one sense of mind. Suppose 100 audience front of you or your teammate is front of you and you are giving presentation. That time you are looking everyone face and you are explaining and got to know that person is not able to understood properly. So that time you have to change your presentation topic or your style. So that situation, particular situation, you can say she perceived a hint of sadness on his voice, or you can say she perceived the expression of face of audience because they are not able to understood. So next, unnerved. Unnerved. Unnerved meaning is you can say it's made someone feel nervous, afraid, or the less confident. For example, the strange noise at night unnerved him. Or stranger question from the audience. Or stranger question from my manager make me unnerved. So suddenly you are giving the situation is like that you are giving presentation, and one person stood and asked a question to you. So you are not mentally ready. That time that person make you unnerved. Next, stilt. Stilt meaning is you can say not following the natural flow. So that situation you can say it's a stilt. For example, his speech sounded stilt. It means his speech sounded unnatural. Whenever you have the stilt conversation, that time definitely front person will be not interested in your conversation or your presentation. So be clear about it. You should manage your communication flow every time. Next, rambling. Rambling meaning is talking or writing in the confusion. Yeah, very you can say lengthy way. Suppose you are explaining something in the very long sentence. That time audience definitely they will not get. So that situation is a rambling situation. You can say. For example, he gave a rambling explanation, and that didn't really answer the question because she explained very in the long way, but it was not purpose. It was not exact answer of the question. So try to escape the rambling thing while the communicating with anyone while the presentation. Make your sentence very short. Next, enunciate. Enunciate means to pronounce the word clearly and distinctly. Distinctly means particularly clear. Particular you can say particularly clear voice. Next, please enunciate your words so every can understood you. Whenever you are giving presentation or talking with anyone, so please try to enunciate your voice properly or your word. Next, hedging. Hedging means avoid giving a clear or direct answer. You can say avoiding the giving a clear and a direct answer. It means you are molding the conversation, or you are giving the wrong answer, or you are trying to escape that question. So that situation is a hedging. For example, the politician kept hedging when the reporter asked the top questions. So try to escape the hedging while giving them presentation. So these were the all word for the today. I hope these all word will be really help for you explaining the communication style of the someone or that situation particular. So thank you for watching.